Rocket League Tracker is a website and tool that allows you to monitor your performance in Rocket League, including your rank and MMR or matchmaking rating. It provides in-depth stats like goals, assists, saves, shots, and win rates. Using a tracker helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses, leading to faster improvement in the game. In the increasingly competitive landscape of Rocket League, leveraging data provided by trackers is becoming essential for serious players. As of January 2026, usage of these trackers has risen dramatically. Rocket League uses a ranked system where players compete in different modes: one-on-one, two-player teams, and three-player teams. Ranks range from Bronze 1 at the entry level all the way up to Supersonic Legend for the top players. Your MMR is a hidden numerical value that determines your skill level and matchmaking. Winning matches increases your MMR, while losing decreases it. While you can't directly see your MMR in the game, the tracker provides an estimate based on public stats by analyzing your performance and comparing it to other players. To use Rocket League Tracker effectively, you need to link your Epic Games account. This allows the tracker to access your game data and display your personalized stats. Start by visiting the Rocket League Tracker website. Open your web browser and go to rocketleague.tracker.network. Once on the site, you need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Look for the Sign Up or Login button on the homepage. After signing up or logging in, you'll need to authenticate your Epic Games account. Click on the Link Account button and follow the prompts to log in with your Epic Games credentials. Once linked, the tracker will automatically access and update your Rocket League stats after each match. You can now view your rank, MMR, goals, assists, and other performance metrics in real time. While the tracker shows many statistics, some are more crucial than others for improvement. Focus on stats like shot accuracy, save percentage, assists per game, and win rate in different game modes. Analyzing these stats can reveal areas where you need to improve. Shot accuracy measures the percentage of your shots that score goals. A low shot accuracy might indicate a need to work on your aiming. Save percentage shows the percentage of opponent shots you've blocked. High saves demonstrate good defensive positioning. Assists per game tracks passes that lead to goals. A low assist rate could suggest you need to focus more on teamwork. Win rate is the percentage of games won, and it's important to track this across different modes like 1v1, 2v2, and 3v3 for targeted improvement. For example, if your shot accuracy is low, like 25%, it reveals a need to improve aiming skills. Tracking these key stats helps identify your weaknesses and strengths. The real power of Rocket League Tracker lies in its ability to highlight your strengths and weaknesses. By reviewing your stats, you can identify areas where you excel and areas where you struggle. Review your performance metrics to spot patterns in your gameplay. For instance, if your aerial save percentage is low, you might need to practice your aerial defense. Look at your aerial saves percentage. If it's low, like 45%, focus on improving aerial defense skills. Check your shot accuracy. A higher percentage, like 65%, indicates you're good at scoring goals. Examine your win rate across different game modes to see where you perform best. Use this data to inform your training and practice sessions. Focus on weak areas to improve faster. Top RLCS players use trackers to analyze their performance and identify areas for improvement. For example, Garrett G., a top RLCS player, used Rocket League Tracker to analyze his 2024 season stats, identifying a 15% improvement in aerial saves after focusing on positioning data. Many teams also leverage replay breakdowns from tracker affiliates to make strategic adjustments, demonstrating the real-world application of these tools at the highest level of play. Once you've identified your weaknesses using the tracker, develop specific improvement strategies. If your positioning is poor, focus on rotations and boost management. If your aerial shots are inaccurate, spend time practicing in custom training packs. For poor positioning, concentrate on mastering rotations around the field and managing your boost efficiently to maintain optimal positioning during matches. For inaccurate aerial shots, dedicate time to custom training packs that focus specifically on aerial mechanics and shot accuracy. Regularly review your stats on the tracker to track your progress and adjust your training accordingly. Watch your win rate improve as you implement these strategies. Remember, consistent practice and data-driven adjustments are key to improvement. Looking ahead, the future of Rocket League trackers holds exciting possibilities with the integration of artificial intelligence. By 2027, experts predict AI-powered versions that deliver personalized coaching and tips tailored to individual playing styles. This evolution builds on current tracking tools that help players analyze their performance. As we move through the timeline, you'll see how AI will transform the way we improve at Rocket League. Starting from 2025, we have stable tracking platforms providing reliable stats. By 2027, AI integration will offer personalized tips, analyzing your gameplay to suggest specific improvements. And by 2030, these advancements will democratize skill development, helping players of all levels reach their full potential. For example, AI could help a player boost their win rate from 45% to 60% by providing targeted advice on positioning, ball control, or teamwork. These tools will make improvement more accessible and effective for everyone. Keep an eye on these developments and be ready to leverage AI-powered trackers to gain a competitive edge. The future of Rocket League improvement is bright, combining data-driven insights with intelligent coaching to help every player succeed.